Hi, welcome to another episode from Starving Videographer. I'm Mahesh and this is Reza. And today we are here in the beautiful Arboretum in Washington. We have one light system continuous with Stella that we're using to light ourselves. And I want to show you how to do great one light portrait shots outside. And Reza is going to talk to you about the video.
So yeah, we're out here with the CLX from Stella Pro Lights, and we are shooting on the Sony A7 Mark III with the Sigma 30mm f1.4 DCDN. We have a couple other angles with us that we're going to include in the video so you guys can see some behind the scenes of how we take our shots. So stay tuned and check out the beautiful pictures that Mahesh is going to be taking, and we hope you enjoy the video.
All right, now I'm going to do some wide angle portraits with the Sony a7R IV and the Sigma Art 14 to 24 f2.8 lens. It's not known as a portrait lens, but it really allows you to get some unique perspectives. If you notice, I have one light system set up over there directly on my subject, who's Reza. He's being very, very nice and participating here. And I am looking at everything through an external monitor, so I know exactly what's going on. So as I look at him, I'm gonna move the light just a little bit until I get the catch light just the way I want it. And it has to be just a little higher than he is, and that's perfect. His face is being lit very nicely. I can see the catch light, and I'm gonna move this back just a little bit so it softens up the light just a hair. And I'm gonna come at it from a wide upper angle because I wanna really get all those gorgeous, gorgeous yellow lights. I may even zoom in just a bit to frame him just right. And I'm actually not even looking through the viewfinder. And here we go, beautiful, gorgeous. I'm shooting at 1/30th of a second, f2.8 auto ISO, and the ISO it's choosing is 100. So let's see how that looks in the viewfinder. The lighting is gorgeous. I can't believe how sharp this is. All right, so that is the wide angle portraiture. We're gonna now switch to some other lenses and see how that looks. All right, so I have switched lenses now. I'm gone with the 45mm Sigma f2.8. It's incredibly light, and I'm gonna get a slightly tighter view of his face. I'm also gonna move around the light just a little bit more to get a little more rounded effect. His catch light is still there. You notice the light doesn't overpower the subject. It still maintains nice balance between him and the surrounding. That's what I love about this continuous light system. So let's try a few shots and see how it looks. I'm going super close to the subject so I can really blur out the background. I'm going to look up a little bit and get some of that color. Just tilt your head up a little, Reza. Perfect. And look up and to your left. And just move your whole head. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So, if you look, I am taking the light and moving it around, and that's what I recommend you do, because oftentimes, you know, it's just like using a tripod and a camera. When you go to a scene, you set up a tripod, you put the camera on top of it, you're sort of limited to that composition. If you have this lightweight light on a lightweight tripod, I'm using a Manfrotto Nano tripod, by the way, light stand, and I just move the light, I can see where the best lighting is, and then I extend the legs even further to get the perfect light. Like if I came from him like this, not so good. But look, the perfect light is somewhere over here. Now I just have to frame it so I can get great light on him and not include the light in my picture. So let's work with this. So lift your whole, like that, just don't, like, whole head like that. There you go. The eye is getting really good on this. Okay, we're shooting at f2.8, 1/60th of a second, ISO 100. This leaf is just looking fantastic. Oh my God. It's like an island, yellow island with Reza's face in the middle. I have switched lenses. I have gone to the 35mm f1.4 Sigma for a slightly shallower depth of field. Same poses, maybe I'm gonna have his hand in a different position. Not such a wide view, not so much increased depth of field, but just something very, very shallow. Let's see how this turns out. We're just experimenting with our continuous light. The important thing here is the light. I mean, it makes anything look really, really awesome. So, actually looks really good. Okay, now I want you to put your hand like this. Yeah. And not so smile, not smile so much. Yeah. That's awesome.
Beautiful. So cool. Oh, those are great.
All right, gang, that's a wrap. I am Hayes Thapa, starving photographer, and this is Reza Meliari. And we brought you some great stuff from Stella light, continuous light, and from Sigma lenses. Hope you enjoyed it. Any last words, Reza?
Thanks for watching. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you on the next episode.
See ya.